I'm taking notes. But before we go wading through every river we see, we also got that Gemology for Beginners book, Remember.
Right.
I'm really curious to see what kind of insights we can get from that too, especially about like identifying specific gemstones.
Definitely. And maybe even help us choose where to go hunting.
Exactly. So where should we start?
Well, we were talking about aquamarines earlier, right?
Yeah, my personal favorite.
The book actually puts those in the beryl family, which
Yeah.
also includes emeralds.
Wait, so emeralds and aquamarines are related?
It's all in the chemistry. They're essentially beryl crystals. The difference in color is due to trace elements present during their formation.
Wow. So it's like same basic blueprint, but a tiny dash of this or that element.
Yep. Chromium and vanadium give emeralds their green. Iron gives aquamarines their blue.
Fascinating. But back to the aquamarines. Where does the book say we can find them?
It emphasizes pegmatite formations, especially those rich in feldspar and quartz.
Pegmatite. There it is again, the VIP lounge.
Exactly. And feldspar, that keeps coming up too, right?
It's like feldspar is the best friend of gemstones, always hanging out where the good stuff is. So pegmatite, preferably with feldspar and quartz, if we're after aquamarines.
Right, but what if you're not near any mountains or rock formations?
Yeah, that's a good point.
The book mentions alluvial deposits.
Alluvial deposits, what's that?
It's basically areas where rocks and minerals have been transported and deposited by water.
Oh, so like riverbeds?
Riverbeds, stream banks,
Yeah.
even old dry washes.
Makes sense. So
Yeah.
even if there's no pegmatite in sight, we could still find aquamarines and riverbeds, thanks to the power of water transporting those gems. Okay. This might sound silly, but the book mentioned aquamarine crystals can get pretty big, right?
Yeah, they can get quite large.